Minesh Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture. This is Liaquat sir. We are studying the chapter that is atomic structure. Now today we will see the topic as atomic number and atomic mass number. What is atomic number? As you know very well that we have in all total number of element, total natural elements are 1 to 92. Total elements we have 92 elements, natural elements are 92, and after 92 other all elements are radioactive element. There are total in all 118 elements. So atomic number I call as atomic number as roll number. Atomic number as roll number, because if I enter in any class and if I say any roll number, so only a individual student will stand. That is why I say that atomic number is a roll number. No two student will have same atomic number, no two student will have same roll number. That means no two element will have same atomic number. So atomic number is said to be as a roll number according to me for remembrance. So every individual element has an atomic number. Atomic numbers indicates the number of protons. Atomic number indicate the number of proton which is present in the nucleus. As nucleus is spherical in shape, inside the nucleus there is proton and neutron. These are the subatomic particle which is present inside the nucleus, and outside the nucleus there are electron which is revolving outside the nucleus. The electron revolving the outside the nucleus is said to be as an orbit, and where the proton and neutron are situated inside the nucleus, proton and neutrons are situated in nucleus and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So atomic number means number of proton, that is positively charged particle inside the nucleus, are called atomic number. As the symbol for atomic number is given by Z, Z indicate atomic number. Atom on the whole is electrically neutral because number of electron is equal to number of proton. So if I say that sodium has a atomic number 11, that means sodium has a 11 electron and 11 proton. So 11 electron minus 11 proton plus, they get cancel each other. That is why atom is electrically neutral. We have studied in the 9th-10th standard. Now what is mass number? Mass number means whatever subatomic particle present in the nucleus is said to be as a mass number. That means the number of proton and neutron which is present in the nucleus is said to be as a mass number. That is, mass number is the sum of the proton and neutron inside the nucleus is said to be as a mass number. It is denoted by the letter capital A. Capital A indicate the mass number of an element. As inside the nucleus there is proton and neutron. Proton is equal to Z. Z means atomic number. So Z is equal to proton. That is why A is equal to Z plus N. Even I can write P plus N. Or Z plus N. One and the same. And if I suppose I want to find out the number of neutron, so manipulation can be done. Z can be shifted. Z can shift over here A minus Z. So in this way we can calculate the number of neutron in any atomic species. N is the number of neutron I said. The mass number is a whole number. You know very well what is whole number. So atomic mass is a fractional due to the presence of isotopes. Now whatever atomic mass number is visible to you on the periodic table, as you have seen the periodic table in the standard 11 science textbook, science 1 textbook, the periodic table consists of a mass of every element. So that mass is in the decimal point. You must have seen the mass of hydrogen 1.00009 something. So that decimal, because of the decimal appears, that means it has a fraction value. Decimal point appear because of the fraction. So the atomic mass of any element is a fractional because it present, that is a presence of isotopes. Now the point comes that what is isotopes? Isotopes means what? According to me, for understanding point of view, isotopes, the explanation of isotope I can explain the way as you are the student, whenever there is an exam held in the school or colleges, after exam there is a result. To collect the result, student comes in the college to take the result. With the result, father and mother also approaches to the school or college to take the result. So three of them, they are sitting in the college, that is student, father and mother. Now the roll number of that student is suppose roll number 10. So the teacher will call roll number 10. So at the roll number 10, all will stand. All three will stand. Who three? The student itself, parents, father and mother. All three will have a same roll number. That means roll number is an atomic number. So isotopes are same atomic number. If same atomic number means element same, that means family same. Different mass number, as the weight of father, mother and student, they are different. So the definition of isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Isotopes differ in the number of neutrons. Isotopes may be different in the physical property but show similar chemical properties due to the same electronic configuration. The first isotope of hydrogen is called as normal hydrogen, that is called as a protium. Why? This is the only element in the periodic table with no neutron. Neutron is absent in the hydrogen atom with the mass number 1, because which is written on the top, that is 1, that means indicating capital A, that is mass number. Capital A indicates the number of proton and neutron. So proton depends upon the atomic number. Atomic number 1 means proton 1. So both atomic number is 1 and the mass number is 1. That means mass number is because of the proton number and there is no neutron. That is why there is no addition of any particle. So this hydrogen atom is the only element in the periodic table which is naturally occurring and which has no neutron. There is only proton in the nucleus. That is why it is called as protium. Another isotope of hydrogen is with the mass number 2, and with the mass number 2 is called as deuterium. It is called as heavy element, heavy hydrogen. Why? Because it is having 2 mass. Another isotope of hydrogen is with the mass number 3, which is called as tritium, or radioactive hydrogen. Why radioactive hydrogen? Because isotopes, most of the isotopes are generally radioactive. Radioactive means they can emit alpha, beta, gamma radiation. This tritium normal hydrogen is present in exchange, the content of hydrogen of isotope. Now try to understand. This is a normal hydrogen in the surrounding, it is 99.985%, that is with the mass number 1. Deuterium with the mass number 2, it is 0.015%, very less, and tritium is very less, that is 7 into 10 raised to minus 16. 10 raised to minus 16% means 0.15 times 0, then 7, that is very less. Now half-life of the tritium is 12.33 year. This half-life means what? All the radioactive element, they undergo disintegration, that means they emit alpha, beta, gamma particles from the radioactive substance. As these particles emitted from the nucleus, so the mass number and the atomic number reduces. So that reduction in the atomic species to half of its initial concentration in a given interval of time is called as half-life. Means half of the concentration is reduced from the given sample is said to be as half-life of that compound. So every radioactive element has half-life. Some of the radioactive element has half-life of few seconds, some are having of half-life of few minutes, some are having half-life of few hours, some have half-life of few days, some have few months, some have few years and years and years. In this half-life we can identify that during this half-life of period, the half of the concentration will be getting disintegrated, will be getting decay. Now we will see the number of protons and neutrons and subatomic particles present in the isotopes. Isotopes, Z indicates atomic, Z indicate atomic number, A indicate mass number, E indicate electron number, P indicate proton number, N indicate number of neutron, N by P, that is neutron to proton ratio, which you don't have to worry about it, don't have to study about it, let it be. Hydrogen atomic mass number 1, so the atomic number is 1. The atomic number is 1 and the mass number is also 1, the electron number is also 1 and the proton number is also 1. And the neutron number is 0 because there is no neutron, I said, in the hydrogen one. And don't worry about this N by P, it is not of your useful thing as of right now. Now in the deuterium there is a space bar problem, don't worry for that, try to understand. In the deuterium, the Z indicating over here, this is atomic number 1, so proton is 1. A indicate mass number, there is a mass number 2, you can see on the top. Electron number is this, that is 1 electron. Proton is 1. Mass number 2, this 2 minus 1, that is mass, that is number of neutron. I repeat again, 2 minus 1, that means proton will cancel by the proton and the remaining is a neutron. So 2 minus 1, the mass number is subtracted by the atomic number. We will be getting the number of neutron. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And tritium, the mass number of tritium will be 3 minus 1, you can see 2. What is hydron? Hydron is the general name for the cationic form of the atomic hydrogen, which is not given in the textbook. Just for your knowledge point of view, remember carefully that hydron is a H plus ion. To the H plus ion is said to be as hydron. That is also said to be as an protium. It is also said to be as a protium and hydron also, just for the knowledge point of view. The term hydron, I said that it indicates for the cation. Cation means plus species. After lose of electron of any of the element, when they lose electron, that element acquire plus charge because of the lose of electron. That is why it is said to be as an hydron. All cations of the isotope of hydrogen are said to be as an hydron. What are the main isotopes of carbon? Carbon with a mass 12, carbon with a mass 13, carbon with a mass 14. So for the atomic number, that is Z, which is given below, that is said to be as a subscript 6. 6 means roll number 6, so element will not change, that is carbon. That is what? Carbon. Mass number 12, A is a mass number, and to find the number of neutrons, very important, and numericals also asked to find the number of neutron. So for number of neutron, you have to subtract from mass number, atomic number from the mass number. You have to calculate, you have to subtract the atomic number from the mass number. That is 12 minus 6, 6 neutron, 13 minus 6, 7 neutron, 14 minus 6, 8 neutron. One thing is clear that in your mind, that in the isotopes number of neutrons are different. Number of neutrons are different. Symbolic representation of the element: X, below there is Z, on the top there is A. X is an element, any element, it is generalized as X. Z indicates atomic number, that is subscript. In the computer language, the alphabet which is below the letter, that is said to be as a subscript, and capital A indicates mass number, which is said to be as an superscript in the computer language. Chlorine has two isotopes. Isotope, the definition of isotope, same atomic number but different mass number. Chlorine 35, chlorine 37. As you know very well now how to write the atomic number, mass number and the neutron number. Now what are isobars? Isobars are the different atomic number but same mass number. Mass number will be same. Means in the college, students are there with a different roll number, but 2 or 3 students may have a same weight, that is same weight, same mass. So isobars, they are isobars of different element. Isobars are the atoms or different element with the same mass number and different atomic number. That is why if there is a different atomic number, so what changes? Element changes. We have isotopes as atomic number 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. By mistake it is written below. Try to understand that this calcium is over here. Thank you. 18 atomic number means Z is equal to 18. 19 over here in the subscript, so atomic number 19, and 20 for calcium. Mass number is given as 40, 40 and 40. Mass number is 40, 40 and 40. Mass number is 40, 40 and 40. Neutron number 40 minus 20 for the calcium, that is 20 and for the argon 40 minus 18 22, and for the potassium 40 minus 19, that is 21, and for calcium is 20. So what are isobars? Isobars are the atoms of different element with the same mass number and different atomic number. Solve a numerical problem. Calculate the number of proton, neutron and electron in bromine with the 35 as atomic number and 80 as a mass number, because 80 is on the top and 35 as a subscript. You have 4 options, so try to understand. 35 is an atomic number, respectively they have given. That means first we have to see the atomic, that is proton number is atomic number. That means there is a 35 in the bromine. So in all 4 options there is 35, 35, 35. That means 4th option will not come. So don't think about the 4th one. Now mass number 80. Now they have said number of neutron and they have said number of electron. So number of proton is equal to number of electron. That means at 3rd position we require only 35. So there is in 2 options, that is option number 2 and option number 3, there is 35 at the end. So that means our answer cannot be option number 1, because there is 45 electron. So that means from 3 and 2 is our answer. Now in the middle there is 45 over here, in the middle there is 35 over here. As 80 minus 35, you have to do subtraction. 80 minus 35, what will the answer will come? Answer is 45. That means our answer is second one. Right answer. You can see the solution. (45). The number of electron, proton, neutron in the species are 18, 16, and 16 respectively. Assign the proper symbol to the species. Now this numerical problem, students, try for yourself. Pause the video and try for yourself. You have to write they have given number of electron, proton. Electron is 18 and proton is 16 and neutron is 16, and they have asked about the symbol of the element. So, and try to understand. Number of proton is 16. That means at 16 you have which element? Sulfur. Z is equal to 16, so its mass number will be number of neutron plus proton number. 16 plus 16, 32, so it will be 32. The ionic species should be S2 minus. The correct symbol is this. As the number of electron is increased by 2 over here, as the number of electron is increased by 2 over here, that is why 2 minus has been written. 16 plus 2, 18. Thank you. Next time we will study the wave nature of electromagnetic radiation.